Hi guys. Today we're gonna play Buildable Food Puzzle from Chill Studios. Sponsored by Buildable Food Puzzle, obviously. Good job, Chill Studios and all the people who made it. So let's begin. Also, I like loose merchandise so perfect. Give me the pump phone thingy. Remember, sponsored by Jill's Studios on Roblox.
The understanding that once you graduated your junior year, your hours here started to
Wow, maybe I want to join the group tomorrow. Thank you, Jill Studios, for making this awesome game. Yes, I made 2 friends yesterday. Yeah. Time to open Roblox.
I can't move forward.
No, I'm hoping that because you're here this year, we're going to count it. So then when you become a senior, you have to get 70 hours instead of 120. But I want you to, like, if there's an internship at Picatinny, don't take that. Like, even if it's or whatever. If you still want to work, I'll keep you on stuff. You can have hours you can work.
Okay, so we're back. Yeah. Cool. Thank you, Jill Studio. And those liking, I really like this game. Yeah, so let's build. Once the GUI is low. I see something. So let's build. A boat. Get it? So today I actually am gonna get some of models. Oh, what the? Flickering. That's a sign of bad gameplay. But other than that, it's a really good game. Flickering. It's actually getting serious. Probably because this is a clear computer, but this is a really good game. Oh. I don't have many books. What the? I cleared it! Oh, not so. It's a really good game. But remember what I said. Oh, I got 5 books for free. Okay, this is actually my first time playing. And I got 45 books. Wow, cool. So, wait, if I press all towards it, yes. Oh, whoops, I got the max. Time to place my sheets. My boot, my action person. Better about for the treasure. This time I sponsored it. Like I forgot to do make a cake. So tell me about that. Ask me about that, I meant. So once we can actually so first, let's just look at our fireworks that we built. We haven't even launched and it's almost 4 minutes into the video. Wait! Oh wait, what the? I think that went barrel. Joel Studios, yeah! Okay. Let's launch our next firewall. Yay! Sponsored by this game, remember. I almost forgot to get this. Okay, this is actually a really good game. Yeah, let's beat the first level. Wow, someone else is really super cool at it again. I really like this one. It's really good. So I am past most players right now. I'm the only one that's big because that's me, I bet. Yes, can't wait to see how far I can get without dying. Of course. My goal is at least the next 2 videos I can get to the end. Yes, sponsored by Joel Studios, the creator of this game.
know you guys are not available. We're not, like, other than the camp day,
Oh dang it.
we're not.
I lost my boat, kind of.
So for this school year,
It's
it's 3 to
either.
7, and then Saturday to
Better.
Sunday.
Oh no. I almost just lined that up. Most wooden blocks when I have one XP.
Right.
But about what? This game's very good. This is my first time playing on this account.
So here's what I would do.
What
If you
the?
can get here or get around here,
That was not attended. Well, that was a
or
short
whatever.
end. Met with 3 levels until I died.
Because
Very
I
good.
have to be here and then
Let's see how much
cover
I get.
for an hour.
32 gold.
I'd
That's
rather
not
have you here from 4 to 7 than not at
Ah,
all.
2 chests.
But I
Diamond
understand that
chest.
sometimes you guys don't get out of school,
Cool.
or you might not have arrived here yet, so.
I see if we can join a team
I'll
and
probably
let's just
rely
sound like
more
YouTube.
on people going to county to be here at 3.
I am
But
a
that's happened before,
YouTuber.
like kids, sometimes if I hire kids from Mars Hills,
I'm a YouTuber.
they don't get out until 3:07. So they don't get here until about
Myself.
3:30 or 4. And I understand that's been happening.
My family.
I just cover
And
in there with the.
Snoops.
What camp are we doing this afternoon? Oh, YouTuber.
Wait a second. I need to blind you for a second. Where's my YouTube?
Yeah.
Finally open the
Yeah, so we took that from Wednesday to Monday because it didn't make sense
Let me
to
check my
like do all this other
yeah.
stuff and then, and now we're gonna go to the event. So,
Scoot big 1, 2, 3. That's my
yeah, I
right?
think that first week that we did it, we decided to change the order of things. So definitely check on there to see if you can pull up the presentations for that.
Okay, what was it?
I think yesterday they were working on trailers. Yeah, they were probably. That's okay. There was like one big crying. He was stressing that he couldn't do it. But yet he was doing it. And yeah, Cody was working with him. He did a good job.
Okay. Okay, well, so I can actually click the menu. So I can get some new ones. I'll probably think I'll false. For 100%. False, probably. I think. Yes, I'm a real YouTuber. Hope you ever got any friends. As usual, I always do this.
Yeah. Yeah. And all the kids.
No, I wait until I find the flag icon.
Yeah, but they found it was the hardest.
Well, possible if the game is lagging, but thank you, Jill Studios.
And
Very
they're so
good game.
stunted in their creativity because they're so busy consuming mass media that they're not developing it.
Go black. That's why green.
Canva,
That's why white.
I don't know if they use Canva, I know they did that.
Black. And no one trusts me, it looks like. Sometimes I close. Trying something. Guys, oh, logo. Logo box. Oh, so that means I should be able to mathematically join my team. Change. When the other person is not accepted.
I'm gonna have parents come and log them in if they need to.
Yeah. You might end off with spamming with likes. And good job, Chill Studio. You made a really good game.